Hey you guys, it's your girl Elle. I am here giving you a update. It has been 5 weeks since I've started working out again. So I have in total lost 11 pounds. I did math. It shouldn't have been that hard, but I have lost 11 pounds. So far, so good. And within those 5 weeks, 10 of those days, I did a challenge with my cousin. Well, not a challenge, like a cleanse. Yeah, cleansing. So, and that consisted of like these pre-made shake. Well, not pre-made because I made the shakes. These shakes, you did 2 cups of water. You did spinach and kale, handful of each, with either some of the fruits that were in there: pineapples, mangoes, apples, grapes, blueberries. And then you also added in flax seed and a sweetener. I opted out the sweetener for honey because I don't mess with the sweetener stuff like that. So yeah, I did honey instead. And you drunk, well, however many ounces this is of that throughout the day. So I marked mine off, with the permanent marker. So I have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then you have the option of doing one healthy meal a day, or throughout the day you'll, do the protein thing, boiled eggs or peanuts, unsalted. So yeah, like a healthy protein to get you through the day. So I did the one healthy meal because I was like, I'm going to die probably. So, but yeah. So now I am in the kitchen and I am about to meal prep. So I'm about to start my breakfast. My breakfast will consist of these egg beaters, which I have right here. I think I'm gonna do them in muffin tins. I'm gonna do some turkey sausage, and I got the hot kind. I didn't even know I got hot, but I do love spicy. And I'm gonna chop up some veggies. I have some mushrooms down here that I have not used just yet, and making a mess. That I have not used yet, but I am gonna use them for my breakfast. I don't want them to go bad. So sorry. I got my goodies all up in the camera. God. Trying to get the stuff out the fridge is hard. So yeah, I have been consistent in the gym, been going every day. Yay for me, because I get sidetracked real easily. But yeah, I mean, I'm not mad about my results at all. I can see my 2 little abs coming in at the top. That's what I'm going to show you. Because I still got a little baby keg down at the bottom. But yeah, everything is going good. Workouts have gotten easier. I'm starting to do more now. So I've actually started incorporating sprinting into my workout routine on the treadmill. I did used to run track, and that is what I'm used to. I don't know if that'll work for everybody else, but I do interval training on the treadmill, and that cardio is no joke. Okay, like when I do that, like I definitely lose a few pounds. I do notice. Yeah, I mean, what else has been happening? I've been working out with my friend Lizelle, aka Tank, father son fit. So he's been helping me out in the gym here lately as well too. So big ups to him. Definitely thank you. Keep me motivated, keep me going. Oh yeah, back to my food. So breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and some muffin tins. I need to chop these veggies up. They have these little shortcuts things at Hy-Vee, and these are the best. Okay, so I buy them in bulk and I put them in the freezer, and then when I'm ready for them, I unthaw them. But yeah, these are the best. Hy-Vee, go there, y'all. And then for dinner, I am going to do salmon and steamed broccoli and sweet potato. I don't know if I'm gonna do a mashed or a roasted. I don't know. And then I'm gonna top my salmon with this arugula. This stuff is yummy. I don't know. Like, I went to like this conference thing, not conference, but like award ceremony for my job, and they did the salmon and arugula deal, and I was like, I'm gonna go home and make that. And it was bomb.com. It tasted just like how it was, just sauteed in some olive oil, throw some sea salt, just a little bit, and it's bomb.com. And then for lunch, I'm just gonna do a salad. I have plenty of spinach in there, or I might just do a shake for my lunch. But I'll make that in the morning. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. Yesterday I did frozen peaches, frozen pineapple, banana, 2 cups of water, a cup and a half of spinach, flax seed, and then I put some chia seeds in there as well, and honey. And it was bomb.com. And it keeps me full. And then my snacks throughout the day, I'm gonna boil some eggs, and pack me up some of these cashews I got to go. So I got lightly salted because I didn't have the non-salted. I didn't know peanuts cost so much, but they do. Oh, that's what I forgot. Meant to go to the store and get, they have like these little cheese packs, and they're, you know, for protein. And they are bomb.com. I had Kobe cheese the other day. I'm about to go to the store after this. Because I cannot, you know, go without those. Those are really good. They're really addicting. But yeah, hard-boiled eggs, a little cheese snack, peanuts for my snack. Or I might get like some dry fruit, dried cranberries, broccoli, because that's what I like. And then, where's my other little snacky thing that I got? Oh, it's a little granola. I don't know how good it is for you, but it's 140 calories, 55 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams of protein, and 20 grams of carbs. Yeah, I don't know about that. But yeah, it's called Love Crunch. It's good. It keeps me from eating candy, like chocolate. You know, chocolate or anything sweet. So this definitely saves me. So yeah, what's today? I don't know what today is. I'm gonna look in my little planner here. Can you remember if today is the 18th? Oh yes, today is the 18th. Because tomorrow is the 19th, if I'm correct. Yeah. So Tuesday, which is the 20th, will mark my full month of, you know, working out. So 11 pounds down, 1 month, not bad. So I need to be at least halfway beach ready by, you know, the end of March. Because in April, I'm going to Mexico. Me and the girls. Turn up. Shout out to Lauren and Marcus. They're getting married. Woot woot. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna cry like a baby. I'm a cry baby. But yeah. So sweat, train dirty, eat clean, body gonna be looking mean. But yes, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll be checking in with you guys, you know, here pretty soon. Sorry it took me so long to update you on my journey. I just been, you know, workout, come home, or work, do hair, work out, go to sleep. So I've been dragging. I've been tired. My body's been sore. I feel like I've been beat up. So, but thank you guys for watching. It's definitely, I thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. I definitely appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please press that subscribe button. And, you know, tune in. Join in with me if you'd like. You know, I have, you know, other stuff for you to say too, you know. But yeah, comment, like, share. Don't forget, most importantly, subscribe. El Janae. Sweat, baby. Now I got my veggies all chopped up. I got my broccoli and my arugula. My salmon getting ready. I know that looks like dog chow right now, but that's gonna be the turkey sausage or whatnot. Got my eggs, they're done. And my sweet potatoes. Oh yeah. Oh, I should have got some more bananas. I didn't get any bananas. Don't look at that. That was for Valentine's Day. And yes, I ate a few of those, but you know. I use my, I didn't use these because they're starting to get slimy, so they're gonna go in the trash. Trash.